Polished chrome finish. Fully rotatable showerhead. Easy to clean nozzles. 6-inch shower faceplate. 2.5 gallons per minute. Includes showerhead and washer. Top reviews from the United States. Worth every nickel. This showerhead is a true rain showerhead, not a high-pressure head. This means that if you have low water pressure, you may not like it. For those of us with normal or better water pressure, it is great. It supplies a gentle shower that doesn't sting your skin and won't put out an eye. I love it. Seriously, if my shower stall was big enough, I'd drag in a lawn chair and cooler of beer and never be heard from again. I've posted a video of the shower in action. It's a bit like watching paint dry, but may give you an idea what this showerhead is like with normal water pressure.